Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Piyush, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up our environment for Django development. So first of all we have to install Python. Now to download Python, you have to go to this link, which is python.org/downloads. I'll also put this link in the description box below. And after opening this link on your Chrome browser or any browser you are using, then click on this download button. It will automatically detect your operating system. But for you, if it is not working or it had detected a wrong operating system, then you can download this by clicking on these links. And it is very easy to install Python. Just go with default settings and install it. Then you have to download Visual Studio Code. Basically it is the code editor which we are going to use to create our Django project. Now you can use Notepad also, but Visual Studio Code provides us some cool features which you will see in future videos. So just download this according to your operating system, and it is also very easy to install. Just go with default settings and install it. So now let's install Django. So open your command prompt or terminal if you're on Mac, and in this terminal type here pip install Django and press the enter key. I have already installed this, so I won't press the enter key. Now to check that Django is properly installed or not, what you can do is type here Python and press the enter key. Then this type of interpreter will get opened on your terminal or command prompt, and here type import Django and press the enter key. You can see that I have successfully imported Django. There wasn't any error here, which means my Django is properly installed. Now what you have to do is type here exit and open and close these brackets and press the enter key. Then you can close this. Now after downloading Visual Studio Code, let me open this. This type of window will be appeared when you open this Visual Studio Code for the first time. And what you have to do is just click on this extensions and type here Django and download this extension. Basically it will make our life easier while creating our projects in Django. Now after this extension, you can also install this extension, which is auto rename tag. It will be used while creating templates using HTML. So this was about the environment setup. If you like this video, then do click the like button. Also in our next video we'll start our Django development. And thanks everyone for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.